All right, guys, here's Germany turn 6. Germany had 65 to spend. They're going to buy 2 infantry and an artillery for 10. For 13, they're going to repair 1 damage and buy 2 infantry and a tank. For 16, they're going to buy a fighter and a tank. And then for the remaining 26, they're going to buy 6 infantry and 2 artillery. Got 2 combats, well, 3 technically. First one, the infantry and Aragon's just going to walk into Galicia Navarra for the heck of it, take it. It's not worth anything, but might as well. Other combats into Belarus. 3 tanks and Archangel are going to go in along with the artillery. Then the 4 infantry, tank, artillery, and Eastern Poland will hit Belarus. Along with that, I'm going to take 3 fighters and 3 tactical bombers from Romania. Into the Baltic states, the 5 tanks that were in Germany will go, and the 2 infantry in Poland will walk in. I'm going to para 2 infantry from Western Germany. The fighter and the tactical from Western Germany will go in. The 2 remaining fighters in Romania are going to go there too, and then the 2 tactical bombers will also go there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull 1 damage off the factory. There's 7 damage on it. All right, that's it for combat. So we can roll. All right, zoom out a little maybe. Good enough, whatever. Okay, so I guess we can do Baltic states first. You've got 3 AA shots at 1. Nothing, perfect. Okay, so the bomber can peel out, drop the infantry. I've got 4 infantry at 1, 5 tanks at 3, 3 fighters at 3, and 3 tactical bombers at 4. And if I can pick up the dice. All right, here's the attack. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, that's all I needed, so clean wipe. You've got 3 artillery at 2, and then 4 tanks at 3. All right, here's the defense. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Okay, so I'll lose 4 infantry and a tank. I'll take it with 4 tanks. You'll lose everything there. Good deal. All right, now we got Belarus. You've got 6 AA shots at 1. Here they are. 2 hits. All right, lose 2 fighters. All right, so I've got 2 infantry at 1, 2 infantry, 2 artillery, plus 4 at 2. I've got 1 fighter, 1 tank, 3 more tanks. That's 5 at 3, and then I got 3 at 4 for the tactical bombers. I need 10 hits here. Let's see if I can get it. Oh my gosh, only got 3 hits there. Okay, so there's my 3. You've got 6 at 2, and 1 at 3, and 1 at 4. There it is. Oh, 1 4 came out. All right, didn't hit. You got 3 on me as well. So I lose 3 infantry. You'll lose 2 AA and an infantry. All right, I'll take these out. These are your dice. Here are mine. Here's the attack again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Get those out here. Your defense, I need to take out just 1 dice for you. Here's your defense again. Ah, 4 hits on me. Okay. Wow, this is not going well. Well, wait, so you'll have just a fighter left. Okay, throw all that crap over there. I've got 4 at 3 and 3 at 4. You've got 1 at 4. All right, I got the hit. Here's your 1 at 4. Got a hit. I'll lose another tank. I'll take it with 2 tanks. Wish I would have taken it with more, but it is what it is. So Germany goes up 2, Russia goes down 2. All right. Okay, come over here. All the planes can land back in Western Germany, so they will. All right. Russia's looking thin. All right, Dagon and Archangel will stay there. I'm gonna move 2 infantry from Venezia down to Archangel. The transport in 127 will pick up the 2 guys in Finland and drop them off in Archangel. 2 infantry in Romania will move to Eastern Poland. That's it, that's all I got over there. The cruiser in 127 will come to 112. What happened to the sub right here? Did I? Sorry, the sub fell off the table. There was a sub in 126. He's going to come down to 112 as well. Put this down real quick. The 3 infantry in Transjordan will walk over to Iraq. The guy in El Alamein will stay there. The guy in Morocco will move to Algeria. I'm going to move an infantry from Normandy to Holland, Belgium. Keep 1 infantry there. And then rail an infantry to northern Italy. Yeah, well, I think that's good. Good enough at least. 2 infantry and an artillery will go down in Archangel. 2 infantry and a tank go down in Berlin. Actually, this air transport is going to land there in Berlin. And then everything else, fighter, tank, 6 infantry, 2 artillery, will all go down in Western Germany. Germany is at 53 plus 13 in bonuses. So they'll collect 53 plus 13 is $66 going into round 7. Here's my disposition. Do I want to? Actually, the infantry in Normandy, what do I want to do with him? Yeah, whatever, he'll stay there. Okay, disposition here for Germany. Algeria, 1 infantry. El Alamein, 1 infantry. 3 infantry in Iraq. 2 infantry AAA in Eastern Poland. 2 tanks in Belarus. 3 tanks in Baltic states. 6 infantry, 1 artillery, and a AAA in Archangel. Transport in 127. A sub and a cruiser in 112. Berlin, I have 2 infantry, a tank, and a air transport. Northern Italy, 1 infantry. Western Germany, I have a tank, a AAA, 2 artillery, 6 infantry, alongside 6 tactical bombers and 5 fighters. Holland, Belgium, I have an infantry, Normandy, Bordeaux, an infantry, Galicia, Navarra, an infantry. Paris, I have 2 infantry alongside the Italians. All right, that's it for Germany. I'll hand it over to Russia.